Hello, everyone. I'm James.
And I'm Anna. Welcome back to our world tour.
Today, we're in a city full of energy and color.
A city where food, culture, and life meet.
Today, we're in Barcelona, Spain.
And this is more than just a travel video.
In this video, we'll explore famous places,
We'll try local food
and we'll help you learn real, natural English.
you can use in real life.
If you enjoy learning English through travel,
Please like this video.
if you enjoy learning English through travel,
Please like this video.
your likes really support the channel.
And help us continue visiting new cities.
Also, don't forget to subscribe.
So you don't miss our next adventure.
All right, are you ready to explore?
Let's start our day in Barcelona.
So now, let's head to the heart of the city.
This is where daily life really begins.
We're walking on La Rambla now.
This is one of the most famous streets in the city.
There are so many people around us.
Locals, tourists, and street performer.
I hear music everywhere.
Yes, music is part of the street.
People are shopping and walking slowly.
But no one seems in a hurry.
I see artists and small shops.
This street feels very creative.
La Rambla connects different parts of Barcelona.
That's why it feels so important.
I really like the energy here.
Me too. It feels friendly and open.
We've been walking for quite a while.
And I'm starting to feel hungry.
Food is very important in Spanish culture.
So let's eat something local.
No, now let's try some traditional food.
Let's eat like locals do.
Spanish food is famous all over the world.
Yes, especially tapas.
Tapas are small dishes.
People usually share them.
I see olives and fried potatoes.
Let's try patatas bravas.
The sauce is spicy and tasty.
I really enjoy this flavor.
Tapas are great for sharing.
And for talking with friends.
What about paella?
That's a very traditional dish.
It's made with rice and seafood.
Veins. Sometimes it has chicken or vegetables.
The rice tastes very rich.
The flavors are strong but simple.
People eat slowly here.
Meals are about enjoying the moment.
Food brings people together.
Yes, food shows culture.
That was really delicious.
I feel full and happy now.
Oh, but we're not finished yet.
Now that we're full, let's see something famous.
Let's visit one of Barcelona's landmarks.
This place is very special.
This has been a wonderful evening, Anna. Let's go. Wow, look at this building.
This is the Sagrada Familia.
It looks very different from other churches.
It was designed by Antoni Gaudí.
The building is very detailed.
You can look at it for a long time.
The church is still not finished.
Construction started many years ago.
Many people visit every day.
It's one of the symbols of Barcelona.
Art and history meet here.
It feels powerful and calm.
This place makes you slow down.
Yes, it makes you think.
Barcelona is famous for art and design.
And Gaudí changed the city forever.
The city is busy, but I want some fresh air.
Me too. Let's go somewhere green.
Now it's time for nature and views.
Let's head to Park Güell.
This place is very colorful.
Welcome to Park Güell.
I see bright tiles and shapes.
Gaudí designed this park as well.
The view of the city is amazing.
You can see the sea and the buildings.
People are sitting and relaxing.
Some people are taking photos.
Parks are important in Spanish life.
People come here to rest.
Life feels balanced here.
Work and rest are both important.
Families spend time together.
Friends talk and laugh.
Barcelona feels warm and social.
Yes, people enjoy life here.
What a full and beautiful day.
We'd seen many sides of the city.
Now we're coming to the end of the day.
Let's slowly
Wrap things up. Today, we explored Barcelona together.
We learned about food, culture, and daily life.
We visited famous places.
His voice. And we enjoyed local experiences.
And we did it all through real conversations.
That's how you learn real English.
If you enjoyed this video,
Please like and subscribe.
your support helps us continue this journey.
And visit more amazing cities.
This is just one stop on our world tour.
Many new adventures are coming.
Tell us in the comments,
Where should we go next?
Join us on the next adventure.
See you very soon.
Bye for now.